Artificial intelligence in healthcare? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's here, and it's already changing the way we approach medicine. From faster diagnoses to personalized treatment plans, AI promises to revolutionize healthcare as we know it. But with every promise, there's a dilemma. Let's dive into the ethical challenges of AI in healthcare. Let's start with the good stuff. Imagine you walk into a hospital and thanks to AI-powered imaging, your results are delivered in minutes, not days. AI can scan thousands of images, spotting patterns doctors might miss. And with mountains of patient data, AI can recommend treatments personalized just for you. Even drug discovery is speeding up, with AI finding new therapies in record time. But here's where things get tricky: bias and fairness. AI is only as good as the data it learns from. If that data mostly comes from one group of people, the AI might not work well for everyone. Say the data is mostly from adults, but a child comes in. Can the AI make the right call? Or what if it's trained mostly on images from one ethnicity? That could mean misdiagnoses or even wrong treatments for others. The risk? AI might actually widen healthcare gaps, unless we're careful. And then, there's trust. If a doctor says, "The computer made this decision," would you trust it with your health? Patients need to feel confident in their care. AI needs to be transparent, its decisions explainable. And crucially, real people, doctors, nurses, have to stay involved. No algorithm can replace a comforting conversation or a thoughtful second opinion. The future of healthcare isn't just about smart machines, it's about keeping the human touch. Let's look at a real example. In the UK, an AI system helped spot eye diseases faster than experts. Great, right? But when people realized the data came from only certain hospitals, questions popped up. Would this AI work as well somewhere else? Regulators stepped in, pushing for better checks and more diverse data. Stories like this show how important it is to ask tough questions as AI spreads. So, what's next? The answer isn't simple. Doctors, AI developers, ethicists, they all need to work together. We need clear guidelines, ongoing research, and open conversations. Most of all, we need to empower patients to understand and engage with AI in their own care. AI is here to stay in healthcare, but it's up to all of us to make sure it's fair, trustworthy, and truly helpful. The future of medicine is bright, but only if we face these ethical dilemmas head-on.